friends, and welcome back to another episode of KaylayCreates. So I have a fun new toy that I'm going to be playing with today, and that is a blacklight. So I do know that to take good pictures of a blacklight look, you're supposed to take lights from both sides of your face. So I could not afford two big black lights. I also definitely do not have the room in my house to keep them. But I did buy this cool stuff. So it is a long tape of black light. So hopefully I can have a couple of different areas to light up my face. I can actually trim this. I probably will not, just to make sure I can like drape it over things and hopefully get that glow that I'm looking for. I am also using some pigments that I've used in a previous video. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. I've been using them in almost every look, but I'm really excited to use this blacklight. So I got this blacklight on Amazon. It was like, I think it was like $15 or something. It looks like this, and I'm just so pumped to use it. So I am doing a look that's inspired by FX Freak. So she is on Instagram. She has this awesome neon look. I'm pretty sure that it's supposed to be like a character from something. I don't really know what it's from, but I thought it was really cool. If you guys know what it's from, leave the link down below because I would totally love to know. So yeah, with that being that, let me just jump into the video. Okay, so I think I'm going to be starting out with the lips. Or the lips, aka the teeth. So I think I'm going to be starting with that because then I can go in with black and shade those properly, and I want to make sure that I leave enough room for those. So I'm going to be starting with those. And I love her like pinky orange color that she used in this picture. So I'm going to be using a orange as well. So my pigments are from Edas Atelier, so they're EA Beauty, and this is the neon pigments. I have a little bundle of them over here, and this is the color Tangy Orange. And when I bought these pigments, the mixing medium that they actually have as a brand was out of stock. So I ended up buying a Mayron mixing liquid. So this is pretty much the same thing. It's just a liquid to mix my pigments with and kind of make it into more of an eyeliner or a paint. So I don't actually know what's in it. It says water, alcohol, and a lot of words that I can't pronounce, but I'm assuming that it's just like glorified water. I'm nervous for this because I haven't done anything like this artistic in a while, so hopefully I will be able to do it. So I just pour some of that mixing medium in the lid, and then I like to wet the brush and then dip it into the pigment and then put it on my face. I tried doing the whole mixing thing, but it does dry it out way too fast, so I end up using a lot more product than I want to. I'm so hot already. And then to start, I'm going to be putting on my little ears, and then as I'm actually filming, I'm not going to be talking as much. It is very hot in here. I do not have central air in my new house, so yeah, I'm going to be having a fan on me for the times that I'm actually painting, and hopefully that won't be too much buzzing in your ears. Cool? Cool. Okay, and now that the teeth are on, I'm going to be going in between all of these teeth, and it feels like it's gonna crack, so it might crack. But I'm gonna go in between with a little tiny brush and some black eyeshadow. The one that I'm using is the Morphe James Charles palette. I'm using the shade Spooky, which is just black. And I'm just going to shade between all the little teeth. Alright, so now that my mouth is filled in, it's not the straightest, but it's fine. I'm trying so hard not to spoil, but it's okay. Next I'm going to be filling in just all the different black parts with eyeliner. This is the Pretty Vulgar The Ink gel eyeliner. I do have black paint, but I don't like my black paint. It just isn't thick enough, and then it cracks or it's not dark enough, and I want this to be like really dark for a blacklight look. So I'm going to be doing this with a little tiny brush. First I'm going to be outlining, and then I'm going to be filling it in once I feel like it is adequate, if that makes sense. Alright, and then now that this is all on in black, I'm going to now line wherever I want to line in that neon with the same method that I did with the teeth. Now you can kind of see why I want to do the teeth first, because I wanted to like blend the black around them. I don't actually know if this goes over the black super well, so we will see. Okay, and then she has this really cool like top of a skeleton going on her chest. So I'm gonna try and recreate that. I'm not as good at drawing on my chest as my face. It's really hard to draw on your neck and your chest because you're so reliant on like angles and such, I guess. I don't really know. It just feels different. So I will attempt. One of our neighbors is pulling in. He can see me. Oh gosh. And then I'm going to just do the neon around these. Oh, that tickles. And then last but not least, I'm going to be adding some black paint on my shoulders and things like that. I'm using a paper towel and my black paint to kind of make a stippling effect. I don't have any like sponges that I could just use or anything, so this paper towel is gonna have to do. Hopefully I can get the effect that I want. I don't know, a little nervous. I'm just using my CC Beauty cream paints. Okay, so I'm gonna take my hair down and kind of tease it a little bit, and I'll be back. Okay, so the black light's hung. Ryan's literally helping me hold it right now. Hopefully this works. I teased my hair, but I don't think it's already falling because my hair is so straight that it is, I don't even know how to explain it. but let's see how this works. All right, and oh, you can't see my eyeballs at all. I was thinking about putting some of this pigment in my hair, but I'm afraid it's gonna stain it forever. Oh, this is so cool. But yeah, I literally have pigment like all over my arm. I don't know if you guys can see that. I do have my flashlight on so that you're still able to get a little bit of light. All right, and then that is the final look. I am so excited with how it turned out. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I really did. Make sure that you go and like the picture on Instagram because I'm definitely gonna be posting it there. I am so pumped with how this blacklight look came out. I have been waiting to do a blacklight look for like literally ever, and I'm just so excited about it. I'm happy that I was able to accomplish it. The only way I feel like this would have been cooler is if I did put some of that paint in my hair, but that would be orange forever, and I don't want my hair to be orange forever. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video today. I definitely did. This is way different than anything I normally do. Give it a thumbs up if you like this type of content, or give it a thumbs up if you want me to do more blacklight looks. Leave a comment if you have any ideas. I'm so excited, and now the only thing I want to do is use my blacklight forever and ever and ever. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys again on the next one.